Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is the Great Tete, and for today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how I installed these crochet butterfly locks. Okay, so I received these braids from the Main Concept. That's the brand of the hair. So I'm gonna show y'all how I installed it, and let me tell you, I did this in about an hour. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the fastest and easiest way to get this done. Okay, you guys, so just stay tuned and let's get right to the video. So these are the locks that we will be using, you guys. These are called butterfly locks. And as you can see, like, I already prepped my hair. So because I wanted to like give it an illusion at the front that it's kind of like single braided, that's the reason why I did the front of my hair like that. And that's what the back of my hair looks like. Like, I just did some cornrows at the back. And you guys, you're definitely going to need a crochet needle. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna show you guys how I got the plaits at the front, how I braided the front to have that illusion. So I just like parted off a section like a little box, and then I'm gonna braid it halfway. You don't have to braid your hair out to the end. So I'm gonna braid the first plait at the first braid, or plait, however you guys want to call it. Like, I'm Jamaican, so we call it plaits, but I know some people, you guys call it braids. So like, I braided halfway at the front, so that's what it looks like. And you don't want to do it too close to the roots, because remember that when you start crocheting the butterfly locks, you don't want to damage your hair, and it's gonna go underneath, so you want to leave enough space at your roots. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add that braid to the box behind that braid, if you understand what I mean. Well, you can see what I'm doing there. So that's what I did, you guys. I did it to the entire front of my hair, and because I wanted, like I said before, I want to have that illusion that it's kind of like single braided or single locked. So that's the reason why I did it like that. Because listen, I ain't got no time to crochet my hair single. No, I am not doing that. No, girl, I am not doing that. So I just kind of like twist it up, and then I'm gonna use my crochet needle to tuck it into the braids, the cornrows at the back of my hair. I know it looks bulky, but it's gonna all fall in place, because when I start crocheting my hair, it's gonna cover all the bulkiness and all that stuff, so it's not gonna show. And I don't plan on wearing my crochet butterfly locks in a ponytail. So this is what the butterfly lock looks like. It has the crochet loop. So this is how I crochet my hair, you guys. I push it underneath the braid, and then the loop there, I just put the crochet lock inside the loop, and then you just pull it. And this is what it looks like, you guys. So you see, it looks like a single lock. I know you have like the other way of doing it, where you can push your hair inside of the butterfly lock, but I prefer to do it this way, because I just find that it's easier to do it this way, you guys, just to kind of like loop it through. I find that it's easier and it's faster, because ain't nobody got time for that, to be like doing it single. No way, no ma'am, no sir. So you get the concept of what I'm doing, you guys. So I am just gonna be doing that to my entire head. So the reason why I push the rat tail comb through the loop, it's because I find that the loops are pretty tight, so I use my rat tail comb to kind of like loosen it up a little bit, so it's easier for me whenever I am trying to get the lock through the loop, if you understand what I mean. So just in case if you may be wondering why is she using the rat tail comb to put it through the loop, that's the reason why I did that. Like, I found that the loops, it was really small, right? It was really small, so I used the rat tail comb to kind of like open it up a little bit. So about this hair, you guys, this hair, it is lightweight, okay? I'll tell you that much. It's very lightweight. It's like really easy maintenance. I have to admit that this hair, it's easy maintenance. Now, they sent me this hair to install, you guys, and I am absolutely loving it. Like, it's so easy to install. It's like very delicate on the scalp, and also what I like about it is that it's pre-looped, so that makes it easier to install. You know, you have those crochet that it doesn't have the loop, so it's like so complicated when you're installing it. Like this, it already has a loop, so you just like you just crochet your hair like normal, right? And it's like so fast. So that's what I really like about this hair, you guys. And I will do a follow-up video, you know, to give you guys an update on how the hair kept up. So listen, you guys, I have a story to tell you. Have you guys subscribed to my channel as yet? Like, if you have not yet subscribed, like, what are you doing? You know, please subscribe to my channel. It is free. It's the red button under the video, so just hit that subscribe button and like this video if you like this video. Well, obviously you like this video because you like this video. And leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this method, you guys. Let me know if this is something that you will be trying, and also let me know if you are gonna grab a pack of, if you're gonna grab these butterfly locks from the main concept, you guys. And also you guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell, okay? Because you do not want to miss any of my videos, okay? So I did not mention this earlier in my videos, so I'll let you guys know, because I know you're gonna ask me in the comment section, how much packs did you use? They sent me 6 packs and I used 4.5 packs. Yeah, I used 5 packs. And I think half was left from one of them, so I would say maybe 4.5. But they sent me 6 packs, so 5 packs, that's perfect. That will do, okay? You can go 5 pack if your head is like on, you know, a little bit bigger than mine, because I have a little pea head. So you can use 6 packs, or if you want your hair to be really full, 6 packs will definitely do. But I used I would say 4.5, 5 packs. So for each pack, I think it has like 20 locks for each pack. It's 20 lock for each pack, because I did count them. So it's 20 per pack, you guys. So that's pretty much it for this hair, you guys. The name of the company, it's The Main Concept. That's the brand of the crochet, you guys. And you can pick this up in your local beauty supply store, okay? You can get it in your local beauty supply store. So I've used their hair before, and you know, the quality, it's always good. The quality of their hair, it's been good to me, and I really do like using their hair when I'm doing crochet braids or stuff like that. Like, I have another video, I'll link it in the description below. Definitely check it out, where I use their box braids to make a braided wig, you guys. And you know, a lot of people really liked that video, so be sure to check out that video. And that video I used The Main Concepts braid. That's the brand that I used. A lot of people have been asking me, what braid did you use? So if you're wondering, that's the braid that I use for that wig as well, you guys. So I'll link it in the description below, so be sure to check that out. So now I'm at the back of my hair, you guys, and as you can see, it's pretty repetitive. I am just adding the crochet braids, the crochet lock, to the braids at the back of my head, and I'm just gonna add it all over because I want it to be as full as possible. There's no special way to do it. Just ensure that you cover like as much areas as possible on the cornrows, because you don't want to have too much spacing, right? So if you put it as close as possible, that's fine. Just know that the closer you put it, the more full your hair will be. So what I did, I started off like spacing it out a little bit because I didn't know if I would have enough hair. And then when I am done, then I kind of like fill in the spaces gradually. Like I go over my hair and then I start filling in the spaces. And I did the same at the front. So the front, you know, at first it was a little bit scanty, but when I was done, I noticed that I had more than enough hair. So I started filling in those spaces to make my hair look really, really full, you guys. So just continue watching the video. You'll see how the hair turned out, you guys. Like, as I said, I really like this hair. So, you know, I'm guaranteed that you will like this hair. Like, if you're a crochet person, this hair will definitely work for you. And also, you guys, it's not very expensive. I'll link all their details in the description bar below, you guys. I'll link all their details in the description bar below. So just continue watching the video, and you will see how the hair turns out. Okay.